When you want to grow your website, you want to get more organic traffic and understand your competitors' rank, choosing the right SEO tool matters a lot. Two popular choice creators and marketers talk about are Semrush and SE ranking. Both tools help you with keyword research, site audits, rank tracking, and competitor analysis, but they deliver data in slightly different ways. So in this video, we are going to compare SEMrush versus AC ranking and help you to understand which SEO tool gives you better data for your need. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to pick the right tools without any confusion. Today we will compare SEMrush and AC ranking, two strong SEO platforms, to see how they differ in features, accuracy, pricing, and usability. If you want to explore either of these SEO tools or find special offers, check the link in description below. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description, because by using that link any available discount or offer will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's talk about the SEMrush. SEMrush is known as one of the most comprehensive SEO and competitive intelligence tools in the market. It gives you keyword research data, it gives you competitor analysis, backlink insight, site audit report, content ideas, and many more. When you type your domain or a competitor's domain, SEMrush shows you how many keywords are ranking, how much traffic the site is estimated to get, and what keywords are bringing them most clicks. The tool also helps with keyword difficulty scores, so you can understand which keywords are easier or harder to rank for. With SEMrush, you can also see the historical trends, search volume data, and even PPC advertising insights that help you to plan your entire search strategy. One major strength of SEMrush is its large keyword database and the depth of data. For many regions and languages, SEMrush shows millions of keyword variations and traffic estimates. This makes it useful if you want a big picture view of search performance and competitor comparisons. Its site audit module also gives detailed technical SEO suggestions such as broken links, page speed issue, and other errors that affect search engine. So after that, let's talk about some AC rankings. AC ranking is also a powerful SEO platform, but it focuses more on simplicity and cost-effective performance. Like SEMrush, AC ranking offered the keyword research, rank tracking, competitor analysis, backlink checking, and site audit. Quite often, AC ranking gives you very similar types of insights. You can see your keyword position, discover new keyword ideas, and monitor the competitors' rankings over time. AC rankings rank tracker updates more frequently, which some users appreciate because it shows the daily position changes without waiting for weekly updates. A key differences between these two platforms or these two tools is how the data is presented. AC rankings tends to keep its interface clean and easier for beginners to navigate, while SEMrush is more powerful, but it can feel overwhelming at first because of the sheer amount of data and tools available. If you are new to SEO, AC rankings often feels more intuitive and less confusing because of the menu that is very simpler and more focused on core SEO tasks. Another area that data is also something people compare. Because SEMrush has the large database, many users believe keyword volume and competitive metrics are more comprehensive. However, AC rankings data is still strong, especially for daily rank tracking and localized search insight. If you focus mainly on your own website performance and local rankings, AC ranking often gives reliable and fast updates that help you to track the progress closely. Both tools have the site audit feature, but SEMrush's technical suggestions are usually more detailed. While AC rankings, on the other hand, its reports are easier, which is very beginner friendly to read for the beginners. The same goes for the backlink analysis. SEMrush has a large backlink index, I hope this comparison helped you to understand the differences between SEMrush and AC ranking in a simple way. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe this channel for more videos like this, and check the link from description to get the available offers on these tools. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.